Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In this video, I am going to show you how to change username in Roblox. So without further delay, let's learn the steps. Head over to the Roblox website, that is roblox.com, and log in into your account. Once you are logged in, click the gear icon in the top right corner. On your mobile, tap the three dots more in the bottom right. Select settings from the drop down. Under the account info tab, you will see your current username. Click the pencil icon or the change username button next to it. Now you need to keep in mind that Roblox charges 1000 Robux to change your username. So make sure you have got enough in your account. Usually how many Robux you have appear here. Like you can see, I have 0 Robux. So if you don't have enough Robux and you really want to change the username, you need to purchase them first. Click on the buy button. Here on this page you will find different offers. Usually it costs around $9 to $10 to buy 1000 Robux. Select the plan, and once you have the sufficient Robux, head back to change username setting page. This time you will see these fields. Here enter your new username and confirm your password. At last click buy. The change will go through and your new username will be live instantly. Also, here are few things that you need to keep in mind. Your old username is still visible in your profile history. You can't use a username that is already taken. Username must follow Roblox community standards. And that's it. Changing your Roblox username is super easy as long as you have got the Robux. And this is the only way to change your username. Don't fall for scams that offer free ways. It will get you nothing. If you find this video useful in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.